What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you to my channel. Y'all, I know it's been a little bit since I've put out a new video for y'all, but I've been so incredibly busy. I have decided to do a couple of local farmers markets for the holidays, and y'all, it is so much work. It is so much work, in fact, that I have been busy making these cute little earrings that I've been taking with me. Look how cute they are. And I've also been making some Christmas ornaments. But y'all, one thing I forgot to think about is packaging. Packaging is such an important part for your brand, and I admit I didn't even think about it. So I'm in a little bit of a pickle right now. I have no idea how I'm going to package these for my farmer's market this weekend. So I'm just going to hop in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to use my Maker 3 and see if I can whip up something really quickly to take with me. So if you want to see how I come up with packaging for my earrings and also my Christmas ornaments on the fly, keep watching this video. And if you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on all those notifications if you don't want to miss anything I've got coming your way. So that's enough talking, y'all. Let's go make some packaging for our farmers market items this weekend.
Okay, y'all, before we hop in and get started, I want to give you a sneak peek at what I came up with. The first project is going to be the backer boards for our earrings. So we're going to open up Cricut Design Space and search in our images, and we're going to look for an earring holder. I really like the way this one looks, so all I've got to do is unlock it and then resize it to the size that I need. I really love the fact that I can just use this same earring holder and resize it whether I've got dangles or whether I've got studs. So we're going to cut this on the mat and hit next. It looks good, so let's go ahead and hit make it. Our base material is going to be some Kraft Cardstock. That's what I'm going to use for all of the projects today. I'm going to hit more pressure, and then we're going to do next. And our Maker 3 is going to measure out everything. It's going to detect, and then it's going to cut it out. And y'all, look how quick and easy that was. Now all I've got to do is just to pop my earrings in here and this little project is done. That was so quick and so easy. Our second project is going to be a little cushion box so our earrings can fit down in there so our customers don't get poked when they buy our earrings. So again, we're going to head over to Cricut Design Space and I typed in holder and found this cushion holder already made. I want to make sure that I've got it the right size for the earrings that are going to go in it. So I'm going to save this earring holder that we made before, and then I'm just going to unlock our design and then resize it to be the size that it needs to be. Okay. I think that just about has it done. So let's hit make it. We're going to work on the mat again. I want to use the same piece of Kraft Cardstock that I had before, so I'm just going to rearrange our design here so that it fits in between the last one that we did. If I'd been thinking, I would have done both of these projects together on the same piece of paper. I will definitely do that next time. Okay, that looks good. So now let's cut it out. I cannot get over how quick the Maker 3 is. It's such an upgrade from the Maker 2. Okay, our design is all cut out, so now we're just going to take it off of our mat. And I'm going to go ahead and fold everything on their cut lines. You can use hot glue to put your little pillow package together, but I'm just going to use some crafter's tape. Okay, now let's put our tape on, and y'all, we are almost done with the second project. Let's fold over the ends and make sure that it's going to fit before we make another one. Okay, that looks great, y'all. The only thing missing is a label, and that's going to be our next project. This sticker was so easy to make, so we're going to hop back over in our design space, and we're going to draw a circle. I'm going to go ahead and change this circle to white. Then I'm going to resize it. I'm going to upload my logo. Let's find it in the computer first and hit open. and it's going to bring your logo in. I like to hit complex, and then you can get rid of anything that you don't want to show. We're going to do a print then cut image, and then we're going to upload it onto our canvas. All we need to do next is to unlock it and resize it. Look how quick and easy that was. Now we want to do a print and cut, so we're going to select everything and then hit flatten, and then we're going to make it. First, we're going to put our printable sticker paper onto our printer. This is going to use my laser printer for this. If you want to use your inkjet, you can definitely do that. So we're going to select our printer. I like to take the bleed off, and then we're going to run this through our laser printer. There we go. Now we're ready to cut it. We're going to set our base material to a sticker paper in white. The mat is going to be measured, then it's going to scan it. It's going to take just a second for it to scan and detect our lines where we printed it, and then it's going to cut it out. And y'all, look how easy it was to make that custom sticker. Easy peasy. Now all we need to do is to take it off and to put it onto our packaging. This is such a great look, and it just kind of finishes off your products and makes them look super professional, don't you think? Okay, let's move on to our next project. And this is going to be a box for our Christmas ornaments. I could just give them to my customers just like this, but I want to just have one on display and I want to have the rest behind my counter. So I found this super cool box already designed in Cricut Design Space. And all I had to do was to resize it to the proper size. Let's hit continue. We're going to select our base material of Kraft Cardstock. And then it's going to tell us that we need to load our scoring wheel. It's going to take it just a second to detect that scoring wheel. And then our Maker 3 is going to do all of the hard work for us, and it's going to make sure our lines are scored to exactly where they need to be. This machine never ceases to amaze me. Okay, once the scoring is done, we're going to load our fine point blade back in, and then we're going to cut it out. Okay, it's all done. Now we're going to unload our material, and then we just need to take it off of our mat and fold everything over first on our scored lines. And then all we've got left to do is to put our ornaments over in there. I'm probably going to make some more stickers to seal the front, but I'll just use some crafter's tape for now, and that will seal it just fine. So let's move on next to our price tags, the all-important part of our farmer's market. So I'm just going to type in tag into our images, and y'all look at all of the gorgeous tags that are already designed in Cricut Design Space. I really like the way this one looks, so I'm just going to unlock it, make it the size I need it to be. I want to make me a couple of copies here, put those on our mat, cut it out on my craft paper, and y'all, I've got my price tags already done. I really love the fact that I can use this same tag and resize it to be anything that I need it to be. I think that kind of makes everything really cohesive, don't you? So I'm just going to add some jute twine through my price tag, and y'all, this is our last project done. I really love how quick and easy it was to make these tags. So let's have another look at all of my custom packaging that I whipped up for my farmer's market this weekend using my Maker 3.
That does it for today's video, y'all. I really want to thank y'all so much for hanging out with me while I tried to find a solution to this little pickle dilemma that I'm in right now. So that does it, y'all. I'm going to hop off of here and make some more things for the farmer's market this weekend. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.